This dual lens pan-tilt zoom camera combines a wide overview lens with a tighter telephoto lens, so you can monitor large areas while still zooming in for important detail without moving the housing. Its true 4K resolution with high dynamic range produces very sharp, clean footage that holds up when you pause or zoom, and the multiple night vision modes keep scenes usable whether you want discrete infrared or full color with spotlights. The onboard artificial intelligence does a solid job telling people and vehicles apart from general motion, which cuts down on nuisance alerts and makes the auto tracking feel purposeful rather than jittery. Paired with the companion applications, real-time motion alerts and live view streaming make it easy to check in on your property from almost anywhere with a stable network connection. Built-in two-way audio lets you talk clearly with visitors or warn off trespassers, and the optional audible alarm adds a practical deterrent without needing separate sirens. Support for common surveillance standards and flexible storage options, including memory card, cloud, and network backup, makes this camera straightforward to fold into an existing security system while still keeping recording safe.